Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on the hit list we got to drop and grind several stumps. I got bunches and bunches in the backyard here. He's already made a cut on this one and already found nails that was all in the crotch of that tree. Yeah, people leave stuff, man. Alright, while they cutting that up, I'll take you around here to the back and show you what we got on the very back here with the stumps. Alright, I told the customer to get some orange paint and mark the stumps. They're not gigantic by no means, but there's just, I think he said like 17, 20 of them. So I told him to put some orange paint on them. Looks like he did. So they're all little bitty small ones. He let the homeowner cut them down, but he left them up high. So I either have a choice: either grind them or go down through there and start cutting all the stumps lower. Small job right here. Midweek, it's Wednesday, and I just go through here, tap them. You know, he just wants to where he can mow grass. You can see he's got a real nice house, so he'll want to get the back of the property looking nice too. I'd grind them and come in with some dirt if it was me. If this was my house, I'd bring me a load of dirt and I'd level this out. And yeah, that's what I would do. Something, that swing arm wasn't swinging. Now look what I got. I got a mess. Well, I got problems today. Gosh darn it. I think the cylinder come apart. It sure did. Look at that. The gland come out of the rod. Hopefully this is just twisted off. Hopefully I ain't pushed it enough or messed the threads up. So I guess I won't be doing stump grinding today. I'll be fixing my stump grinder. Alright guys, I'm back at the house and I found the problem. I think the snap ring come out from the end of it that holds the gland in, and I think that's the problem. But me and Scotty's about to take this off So it looks like you take, I've did this before, you take out this bolt right here and loosen the hose, and there's a hose up front. So you disconnect both of them and it should slide out right through here. So it's not a real bad ordeal to do, but anyway, I've got to order a kit and rebuild it. Hopefully it didn't scar the cylinder up.
Oh man, that's gonna be a job. I already get that off.
What is?
This one.
This one what?
The bottom line.
What is it? What are you talking about? There's not no bottom line.
There is too. Right here.
Huh?
Right there, look. Right through my hand is it. I think I can stay on the darn thing when you knock it out. The pin. I can't get up now. I'm stuck down here.
So what I gotta work with, guys, this is what you call A1 mechanic right here, buddy.
Oh! God almighty.
I don't know what you get me into.
I didn't do this.
You
I
did
didn't
too.
tear it up.
You said you said, hey, you got anything tore up? I said, yeah, come over. See what happens, guys.
Yeah, don't blame it on me.
You know Scotty. He's dying to work on my stuff. He calls every day. He said, hey, you got
You got a
anything?
hammer? Now how you get that pin out?
He's like, you got anything tore up? I said, man, not today. But today I do got something tore up.
Yeah, we're gonna have fun getting that back in there for sure.
No,
You ever had it off?
yeah, I told you I took both of them off and rebuilt them.
Oh, no wonder that's what's wrong with it.
No, that's not what's wrong with it. That's been on there this long. That's been over 2 years ago.
Is it?
Yeah, it's that. They wasn't leaking.
That's what's wrong with it.
Yeah, that's what's wrong with it. Now,
It ain't off. We got the bolt on there. The line's still on there.
can we pull it? Get it right here?
Can you see it?
Yeah. Undo it right there. That's it.
Yeah, the pin come out. Yeah, the pin come out. I see where the pin's supposed to be. Right there's come out. Car key come out.
Well, a snap ring.
Yeah, snap ring.
I need to wash it. Might as well, I mean, like pressure wash it and all that good stuff. It's in there cockeyed.
Yep. Better hope you didn't bend it. You know?
I hope so.
Now pull it out. You did bend it.
God dang it.
You sure did. Been right here.
It's bent. How bad's inside of it? A friend of mine's shop, see what we can do. I'll check in with you later.